below link to activate your LBL back office. So now you have to download the app from the Play Store. Download the app. In this app you can share and earn. Just share the given links and get paid on each share. So you have to scan this QR code, or you have to simply write on your Play Store lead up app. So after downloading, I will give this link of one video in my description. So you have to write that link also, and you will come to know how to use this lead up app. So with the help of this app you can share and earn. You just share the given links which are on your lead up app and you can earn money. Click and earn. Just click on links and get paid. Watch and earn. Make money while watching YouTube videos. Shop and earn. You can shop and get discounts. Network and earn. Boost your power of networking and prospecting. You can make your network and you can earn from your network also. This networking is totally free. First you have to earn